Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have data ready. Start by selecting the column with mixed entries. Once selected, make a duplicate column or copy the sheet so you won't overwrite originals. For small sets, use formula methods. For large or repeated jobs, choose Power Query. Now insert a helper column to receive cleaned values and position it next to the raw data. This first step prevents mistakes and makes comparison easy, so you can validate results before replacing original cells. Start with formulas if you prefer in cell results. For example, combine sequence and MID inside text join to pull only numeric characters, wrapping IFR to skip blanks. Once done, drag or copy the formula down. Alternatively, use data right arrow get and transform right arrow from table to open Power Query. There, add a custom column using M functions or text. Select column 0, 9 to keep digits. Power Query handles large data faster and makes the process repeatable with one click. After you verify cleaned values match expectations, replace originals with paste special right arrow values to remove formulas. Make sure to reformat the column as number or text based on use. This preserves leading zeros when needed. If you encounter problems, like missing minus signs, decimals, or hidden non-standard characters, inspect a failing cell with code or Unicode and adjust your extraction logic. One quick fix is to run text. Clean or normalize Unicode in Power Query, then repeat extraction. That resolves many stubborn characters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.